About 2 years ago, two of the biggest names in pipe tobacco got gutted, and a lot of us are only now feeling the full effect of it. I'm Joseph Foy, Tobacco Country, North Carolina. Welcome to the porch. If you're new here, hit subscribe. I'm about to walk through something that's still quietly reshaping our entire hobby. Back in July 2024, STG bought Baren and Sutliff. Sutliff's Richmond, Virginia factory stopped production in February 28th of 25. It's done and now history. But here's what's still unfolding. McBaren's Denmark factory hasn't closed. STG says that one's shutting down in 27. It's not finished yet. However, out of the entire combined McBaren and Sutliff catalog, hundreds of blends. Scandinavia Tobacco Group kept less than a dozen. The rest are gone for good. And it's not just blends with McBaren or Sutliff's name on the tin. A lot of small tobacconists had Sutliff manufacturing in their house blends behind the scenes. When Sutliff shut down, those shops lost their supplier. Plenty are still scrambling over a year later. This wasn't a couple blends that got discontinued. It was a supply chain, a huge chunk of our hobby that was quietly built, pulled out from under people. Now, full honesty, I got lucky. I've always lived near good boutique shops, so I never built a habit around those blends specifically. But a lot of you did, and had go-to blends, and found out the hard way when they didn't make the cut. A real loss. The panic buying wave has mostly passed. Some guys are still boycotting STG on principle. There's a real silver lining. Small, independent blenders stepping into the gap, kind of like craft beer after big breweries consolidated. Denmark's still open thread is worth watching. Now, I don't have a tidy bow for this one. Most of it's already happened. Part of it's still coming. But if you've got a blend that survived the cuts, don't take it for granted. Drop it in the comments. Did your go-to blend make the cut, or did you lose one? We'll pick this thread up in a couple videos. Next up, we're doing something completely different. I spent a full week smoking nothing but straight Virginias, and it humbled me a little. I'm Joseph Foy. This is the Carolina Pipe. Two of the biggest names in this hobby are already gone, and the story's not over yet. I'll see you tomorrow.